Welcome to another interesting video with fun and unknown facts. Hope you will enjoy the video. Let's get started.
Please do subscribe for more videos and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. There are more than 150 volcanoes in Indonesia. 127 of these are active. There are hiking trails in and around most of the islands. MT Bromo, East Java, MT Agung and MT Batur, Bali, and are some of the best known volcanoes you can hike that'll give you out of this world views. Indonesia is home to world's largest and smelliest flower random we know. The world's largest flower, appropriately dubbed. The corpse flower is found in the jungles of Indonesia and holds a distinct aroma that lures in insects to make its meal. It's the perfect place for the ultimate island hopping adventure. There's around 17,500 islands. The exact number is debated in Indonesia. It's easy and relatively cheap to get around by boat or to take a flight between cities. The archipelago is a snorkeler's paradise. Indonesia has the second longest coastline in the world and is home to a host of snorkeling hotspots throughout the country. You can visit both hemispheres in one country. Indonesia sits on both sides of the equator. You can expect a tropical climate throughout Indonesia, with more rain and temperate conditions found in the highlands. The capital is in the top 10 of most Instagrammed cities. Jakarta falls into the top 10 of most featured cities on Instagram worldwide. The city's impressive skyline, tantalizing cuisine and urban lifestyle are some of the most frequent shots posted on social. You can meet a real dragon. Komodo dragons are the biggest lizards on the planet, with a recorded length of more than 3 meters. They can be found on the islands of Komodo, Flores and Gili Matang. Indonesian food is really tasty. The national dish of Indonesia is a bowl of spicy fried rice goodness called nasi goreng. It's no coincidence you'll find Indonesian restaurants so popular around the world. Being home to beef rendang, nasi uduk, another delicious mixed rice dish, and the infamous sate skewers. Plus, there's lots of markets to explore. Indonesia is full of adventure. You can hike, bike or raft your way around most of the country. And it's easy to get away from the tourist trail, even in Bali. And it's most likely within your reach, let's face it. Not all of us have pockets deep enough for a luxury holiday. Indonesia is relatively affordable and offers friendly vibes. Outdoor adventure and a cultural buzz travelers can't get enough of. This is one of those facts about Indonesia that surprise most people. Islam is the dominant religion in Indonesia. However, faith changes from island to island. Bali, for instance, is mostly populated with Hindus while some islands have Christians as the majority. No wonder you can find affordable gold jewelry in Indonesia, since the largest gold mine, the Graberg mine, resides here. A massive workforce comprising of thousands of laborers work daily in the mines. This magnificent fact about Indonesia states that it is in the G20 group of the world's fastest growing economies, but about half of Indonesia lives on $2 a day. It is the 16th largest country in terms of nominal GDP. The country's economy mainly relies on its indigenous and foreign companies. Borobudur Temple has 504 Buddha statues with 2,672 relief panels. The temple's central dome is encircled with 72 Buddha stupas. Stupas are symbolic of Buddhism, and they are present in many other temples in Indonesia. Former US President Barack Obama spent a part of his childhood in Indonesia. He visited Yogyakarta on the Java island in 2017. There he lived with his anthropologist mother and Dunham. She was a qualified researcher and is known for her works on village life. Thanks for watching.
Please do subscribe for more videos.